Okay, you're welcome to tonight's session. Our session is officially on recording. So let the meeting begins. So, it's going to be just simple updates. I've gone through the pre-camp and I've seen what we are doing. Here I see there is a wake up. Every team I see the awoken spirit from every team, and I'm happy to see that. But the only place is I want them to go and improve on their structure is south. They should improve on their structure. I believe we have enough project managers. I didn't like the way they created their project breakdown structure there in the field camp. We have Odinaka there, we have Angela there. So you should go and do the right thing. And in Enugu team, they are very slow. They should increase their speed. I want them to increase their speed. That is not Enugu Southeast. They should increase their speed. And the people from Southwest, they are trying, but it's like only two people. HSNI is the only person driving this project. It's not a one-man show. I don't know, but these are my observations, which I want to address. Yeah, other teams I see improvement, and the people from the north they keep accelerating, you know. So, and that's little observation. So I'm not going to use that to judge any of the team. So I want to hear from you and understand where you tell me authoritatively where you are and your challenges, because I think this should be authoritatively our second week reporting on the project. So we have like 2 more weeks to report, and the project will come to an end according to our timeline. And we'll start capturing from any team that if you are ready to report what's going on in your team, you can raise your hand and we'll give you permission to address us. Okay. Okay, yes. Mr. B, you can have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Charles. Good evening, everyone. My name is Obi.
Yeah, please. You need to put yourself on. I don't tolerate. That's our standing rule. You need to, when you are reporting, or you need to put yourself or your camera on so people can see who is talking to them. So if you are not disposed to put your camera on, I don't compromise on standard.
That is fine. I'm not looking very, very okay this evening. Feeling poorly this evening. My name is Chima Obi. I'm representing the abroad group as an interim leader, not the permanent leader per se. I would say so far so good that my team has picked up quite very very well. If we were at 0%, I think the bar has risen up to 40% for us, and we believe that by the end of this week, our deliverables shall be able so to launch a properly just considering them.
Yeah, my Chima, you having network issues. You are breaking.
Have my camera.
So your network signal is not strong.
Wanted to stop my show. Can you hear me clearly?
Yeah, let's see if it's going to improve.
Yeah, because there's a new installation going on in my apartment, so that's why. So what I was saying is that the abroad group we are picking up, just that we have a little setback. Most of us were not onboarded early, and as we may have it at the moment, most of us we've commenced our bits in the project, and by the grace of God, by the end of this week, Friday, you should have our deliverables. That's just my report from the abroad group.
Okay. I'm looking forward to that. And I particularly want to see the outcome of what we're doing with FlowWise. I want to see the two agents we're going to create in the FlowWise as soon as possible. So I equally want to see the backlog which you guys need to create. And yeah, because I believe we have been working, I don't want to involve myself with creating backlog for you guys. You know why? Because I believe you guys are pro now. Even if you don't know how to, even if you have not been part of business analyst class, with our AI engineering, you can craft a prompt that can create a good backlog for you. I believe you people, if you really following up, will understand how this prompts, because we've created a lot of prompts. So I want to see what we can do at that aspect, how we can craft a prompt, AI prompt that can create a backlog, a product backlog for each of the AI agents we want to build. Yeah, good. So thank you, Chima. So I want to see you people, because why I'm happy is that last time nothing is going on. I couldn't do nothing, but now I can. So you guys need to continue to raise the bar. So as yeah, so because all of you from abroad here are veteran. If I start mentioning name, and all of you here will have chess court, will have Ayodeji, will have Amaka, and a lot of you here. So I want to see the bar raised. That is quite. I need to see that.
Can I say something?
Okay, thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Coming to what we are going to be doing of FlowWise, we had a little issue and a complaint about the prompt not flowing very well. But there's something I did last night, trying to do FlowWise through using Docker, C++, and Python last night, and hopefully it worked. I was able to host on my local network. So I'm trying to see if that will be possible, because I've been trying to build something, but I need to get one or two through your video. So I believe with that, I and my team can be able to give you what you want. Inshallah.
Okay, that's good. If you want to come through, that's another bar raising which I want to see. So if you want to come through another angle, different from what, that's good. I appreciate that. So yeah, I'm waiting. All right, thank you, Chairman and the team. Let's welcome Magdalene to present.
Good evening, everyone. My name
Yeah.
is Magdalene, South South AI agent group member. I'm not the team lead, so I'm here to represent for the team lead on behalf of South South agent. So far so good. The initiation stage of our project for ZikoraAI, we choose business analyst and data analyst as our prompt. So the project has been completed as for the initiation stage successfully with all foundational documents in place.
Hang on. You say you guys choose business analyst
BA
agent
and DA. Yes.
and which of the other agents?
Business analysis and data analysis.
Okay, business analysis and data analysis agents.
Yes.
Okay, that's good.
So far the project has been completed successfully with all foundational documents in place. That is for the initiation stage. The project plan is in its final stage. We have done the project plan. That is for the second stage. I will be baseline after stakeholder validation. That is from our project sponsor. The project is on track and to move into execution with strong alignment between stakeholders and clear deliverables outlined. So we still have 2 weeks to go, but before the 2 weeks, we believe that South-South ZikoraAI group members will definitely finish with all that is left for them to deliver. That is all for South-South. Thank you.
Okay. It's good to understand that you guys have at least you guys have picked 2 agents you want to deliver. That's good. Yeah. Where I'm not comfortable with you guys is that I believe by now you people should have known how to use Camp. You know, it wasn't looking good as professionals. So you lump everything under one instance. So under one list, which I don't think is looking good. Quickly, let me just show you guys what I mean. Everything we do, we shouldn't be compromising any standard. Yeah, it's important. I don't say I'm being picky on you guys because of the class of people who have here. I don't want to believe that you guys so south. Okay, you see south. This is one list. That's what you guys are, and I believe you guys should know how to work on this environment. This is one list. You can't use one list or one stage. This should be one stage. You lump everything here. So all you need to do is come here I've done this so many times, and even Odinaka, Angela, all of you are here. This is for one phase. This should have been initial stage, but you see a closure on this. So all you need to come here, we create another, call it planning. Planning stage. And here you see we have another phase here. You come here, add another one, execute stage, and you come again, you create on this list, add a list here, you create closure. Yeah, so before I can start taking you guys seriously, you have to readjust this work here to make it look good. Yeah, if you want to be AI engineer, you equally need to be a good project manager. Work needs to be well organized. We are professionals. We are getting ourselves ready to get work and go and start working for top industries. And for me, with this kind of display is not allowed. So, have you guys seen what I've done here?
Yes, sir.
Go on there. So, whatever you guys are saying is when this place is looking good. That's when I'll start listening to what you are saying. For me, it's not looking so appetizing at all for me to even listen to you guys.
Sir, please, before you go on with another group, you talked about our work breakdown structure. Please, we know exactly where in our work breakdown structure that is not well arranged.
Are you not following what I've just done?
I followed you. I was thinking you mean in the document itself for our work breakdown structure.
If you do not understand what I just did,
understood, sir.
Okay.
Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So, and please put yourself on mute. Who is yeah, thank you. And then the people of Southeast. Yeah. Southeast, I can see this is what you guys are doing here, and it's only two people. It's yeah, see, you guys work, you guys are slow, and if your work is looking good the way you are seeing it, it's up to you to answer me, but until come to you people. So, but at least you guys have started, because last time nothing is going on here.
Life is ready to help.
So, and let me quickly browse others. And Southwest. Yeah, so like the Southeast people, you see, let's look at it like now. You see Southwest, you see their work is broken down very well. You see, they have captured every stage very well. You see, so yeah. Although by now, I want every team must have been closing this stage. That should be what the reporting should be on the planning stage, because this project is on 4 weeks, and for me, it's expected that each week should be one phase. You know, I'm not expecting like here it's okay with project plan and work breakdowns. Project backlog is enough. You don't need to start creating all the other test cases. Just create this thing and hit the ground and create the AI agent, which is like here. It looks good to me. If they can follow it up, good. They are coming up strong compared to last time. And yeah, abroad you guys have delivered, but let's see. Yeah, yeah. So you guys need like what's here you say about, yes, you are coming strong, but you see here there's things I don't compromise on standard. I see this place here is not looking you cannot tell me you are still working on defined roles and responsibilities. You are still working on kicking off your project kickoff meeting and analysis, and your business case and project charter is already ready. It can be ready. So you people to go and address this very well. I know within you guys will have enough good project managers and BAs here. You know what I mean. You know that this is not looking good. Yeah, go and tidy this place up so that you look professional. So that's all I can tell you guys. And the last but not the least is these guys. Yeah, they are doing great, but few observation. Yeah, this the northern people sprint planning and daily scrum should not be on the planning stage. If you believe you guys have been in, some of you have been in our project management class. If you are not, if you've never attended our project management class, it will be, I will forgive you guys. But this sprint planning should be moved down to execution stage. Daily scrum should equally be moved down to execution stage. You know, and even this creation of everything should move all of them, because all this is now, they are all should be part of the sprint and execution. So we should move them here. And as we move them here, I expect you people to go to Jira and create an account and start implementing it on Jira. So, like I said, no compromising of standard. We're planning ourselves to be working with top companies. We're not planning this thing that after this we go back to our house and start playing or sleeping. We're trying to come out from here and start working with big companies in America, UK, Canada, Australia, Nigeria, and yeah, that's the plan. And that's why I don't want to compromise on our standard here. Okay. We have roots.
Good evening, Mr. Charles. Good evening, everyone.
Yeah, good evening.
Okay, thank you, sir, for the correction. We actually thought that the stage planning, the sprint planning, sorry, was a pre-sprint role. Like once we plan, then once we start the execution, like we start working on the AI agents, that means we started executing. So every other thing that we did, we would do the correction and move to execution. We also want to let you know that we've already updated, we've done the work on Jira. Our Jira board is ready. If you have time, I was actually thinking if we should add you to the Jira board, or if we should just share screen so you see what you're doing and see if we are doing the right thing.
All you need to do is invite me to a project. So I'll be part of the project. Sorry, I'll be part of the project.
Okay.
So once you are ready, you are in Jira, you should invite me so I will see it.
Okay.
But if you want to share it, good and fine. You'll have time.
Okay, sir. I can do that if you permit.
Okay.
Should I go ahead, sir?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, so this is what we have done. Please, is my screen showing?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, so this is what we did. We created 5 boards, ideas. This was what I could call it actually. You have the to do, we have in progress, in view and done. We actually divided. We did our work. We are actually working on 2 projects. I think I didn't name this very well, but
Go to backlog first.
okay, sir. This is a backlog.
Okay, then go to summary. Go to timeline. I'm trying to see. Yes, the timeline. Where is the epics? There's no epic, so
these are the epics, sir.
You see, what are the agents you are working on?
Business analyst AI agents and research assistants AI agents.
2 of them should be standing as epics. That's what I want to see. I want to see
Okay.
2 of them. And then as epics, each of the work you need to do on each of them should come as tags and user stories under each of the epic. And
We've done that, sir.
you've done
We've
that
done. Yes, yes.
where?
These are the epics. All these ones that are in colored. We color the different epics.
That is not how to do work on Jira. I'm sorry.
Okay, sir.
This is this board should be where it should be on sprint. Did you were not you part of our class?
We did not use. Yes, I was. Yes.
Yeah, I appreciate the fact that you guys are here already, and but I want you to go recapture this in a very professional way, proper way, because it's not looking good here. You go to timeline, create 2 epics.
Okay.
That's why if you go to my product backlog template, you see the way it works. You create 2 epics, and each of the epic, break them down. Every work you need to work on each of the epics should be on that epic. So 1 agent should be 1 epic. So you have 2 agents here, so 2 epics.
Okay, sir.
And it should be on the timeline. You go to the timeline, again. Okay. You see here, scroll down. Keep scrolling. Yeah. Now you can see epic. Okay. As you scroll down, can you see it? Can you see create epic there?
Yes, sir.
So now we have what it means here is how many epics do you have now?
We have. Okay, we did not know that was all it should do. Thank you for the correction, sir. We have 9, and the 9 were like topics inside of the 2 agents, like broader topics inside of the 2 agents. So inside of those topics, 9 topics.
Now click on the epic now.
This one.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just.
Then right, what is the name of your agent?
Business analyst AI agent.
Okay, BA agent. Okay. Right, BA AI agent. Okay. And that should be an epic.
Will it save the way I just did it? I'm still.
Just click enter on your. Just click enter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Done. Yes, sir. I've done it.
So that is number 1 agent. Then you create another agent. So you should have 2 agents. So in each of the agents, you can then start adding user stories on each of the agents. Are you getting it now?
Yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if that was too long, I'm just
Okay. You guys are doing great.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So you already know what to do on each of the agents.
All right, sir. Can I stop sharing?
Yeah. Stop. So I can say you guys are doing well. So all I can say, you keep it up.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right. Okay. Chidera, you're raising your hand.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone.
Yeah, good evening.
Okay, my name is Chidera. I'm representing Southwest Group. Let me share my screen. Okay, for Southwest Group, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, for Southwest Group, we've completed our initiation stage
Okay.
and uploaded our documents. So we are creating our JIRA tomorrow to continue with project plan and execution.
Okay. Yes, you guys have completed the initiate stage. What are the two agents you guys are working on?
Okay, we want to work on 4 agents. We are working on business analysis, and we want to share our group into 2 separate groups. So one group will be working on business analysis and customer support agent, while the other group will work on social media management agent, and IT support agents.
Okay. That is a good uh, concept, but is that not out of scope? Looking at the timeline, I think it's out of scope. Out of scope because you guys are biting more than you people can chew. Because we are in the second week. This is the this is the half. We've gone halfway of this project, and we are still in the agent. And then we are going to ask you to create 2 agents, and you want to create 4 agents while you are already your project is already delayed. Why should that?
Okay, we just wanted to explore more, but then
Explore more. While the exploration is when you have time. We are in a project. This is what I keep hammering about scope creep. You guys are just moving out of your scope and you are struggling. You better go back to your scope. If after your scope, you guys can explore as the AI is, we are just at the foundation of AI. So we can even explore and pass over to our next 2 generations to come.
okay,
Yeah.
sir. Okay, sir. In in that case, we'll work on 2 agents: business analysis and customer support.
Good. If that can be ready in 2 weeks' time, we'll be very grateful. So after then, you can even work create as many agents as possible and explore the spirit.
All right, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you.
All right. You guys are a bit delayed, so I need speed up on your project.
Okay, sir.
All right. Thank you, Chidera.
Thank you, sir.
All right. My observation, I cannot see people from south east. So, and I don't know why. No, they are not here. Okay, we're not going to start waiting for them, or we're not going to their house. Even if they decide to pull out of the where is their choice. But just observation. They are not being they are okay. Or they are announcing. Yeah, are you representing the people of Southeast? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think it's a mistake. So the people of Southeast, Joseph, you guys are not ready. I can see you here. I know you are in Southeast. I know Ginica is in Southeast. I know all of you in Southeast. But if you guys are tired or exhausted, yeah, it's understandable that at times when we start a race, some people might not finish up. I don't know. Why we're here in updates is if you're having challenges, you can bring your challenges and we talk about it. But from what is going on, you guys are not really, I can see you guys are struggling. So Adamson, you are raising your hand. I don't know if we should be.
Good evening, Mr. Charles.
Good evening.
Yes, I'm representing the Southeast Group.
Okay.
Yes. Sorry, I raised my hand initially, but I have had technical issues on my laptop, so I had to switch quickly to another device.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, so far we've started our project, although we started very late, behind schedule, but we hope to meet up with the timeline for the project. So far, we've done our kickoff meeting. We've done with our initiation stage. We've completed it. So what we want to do now is to go into the planning phase. Although the challenge majorly is because we started really, really late and we didn't get, our team organized on time. But right now we are on track and we hope to deliver at the stipulated time. So I don't know if you go to our Freed camp,
Yeah,
you'll see the
we've seen your project timeline. We went to, if you go to, you remember in I shared a screen, my screen in your timeline on the Freed camp. We saw where you guys are. You guys are still at the initiate stage. Like I said, yes, I'm happy that you guys started because last time you guys have not nothing was going on that timeline, but now at least something is going on. But I believe anything that's worth doing is worth doing well, and I know all of you, you guys are project managers, and there's another eye opener. I can see the way you guys are struggling. Is that how you guys have been looking for, so many of you, is that how you guys have been looking for a job out there? That's why so many of you are not even coming up with success story, because this kind of eye opener that you guys are, so many of you are even struggling, or I don't know how to put it, but it's an eye opener because from south, I'm quite not happy with what they did there, because this is the simplest thing I expect you guys to do. I thought that this should be a carryover for you guys, but I see you guys struggling. Even little breakdown structure in a Freed camp, you guys are struggling. And even as I'm happy that root is already, but you see a bit of struggle. But I think these are things I believe you guys must have mastered. as project managers, you know. So you have to, so many of us, we need to go back to the drawing board, you know, to go and practice a lot of things. These are great skills we are just playing around with. We need to master it, and equally, so many of you, I've seen so many of you, your CV is just like, I can't believe it. You know, somebody contacted me, I've been applying, I've not. I said, okay, can you share your CV with me? And if me is the hiring manager, there's no way I'm going to hire her, even in the least project manager role because of her CV. I shared a template. So I will share a template for you guys to use, and some of you will go and kill the template. I don't understand what's going on. You kill the template, you want to design your own template. If you want to, I tell you, if I share templates, if you don't know what to do, just remove if I use my name or whichever, put your name on that template and use it to be applying to. It's better than you destroying the template I gave to you than you trying to do it or you just destroy it. Because that's why so many of you are not progressing, you know. So yeah, I want you guys to come up better. I want the Southeasterners to come up better. You know, it's yeah.
Yes, sir. We'll put in the work. My team members are here and they are listening to this. It's a challenge on all of us, and don't worry, we're going to prove you right, sir.
Yeah.
I know you trust. Thank
you
very much,
I trust all of you. That's why I want, because I know most of you can do better, extremely better than this. I just wanted. It's not like I'm not just asking people use Flowise. I can tell you just use Flowise and create an agent, 2 agents. But I wanted it to be captured like a project, because when you go out there, a lot of things you are going to be doing is going to be captured as a project. And yeah, so you AI engineer, you are just going to appear in that project as an engineer or as a developer. So you are going to be working along with a project manager. But I believe you guys are already project managers. So that's why I didn't want to dive into project management aspect of your business analysis, because I believe so many of you are project managers and business data analysts here. And I believe you guys can do it.
Of course we can, sir. We can.
All right.
So, sir, for the records, we decided to make use of the business analyst agent and customer support agent models. That's what we want to work on for the records.
Okay. I'm waiting to see that. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. And if you have any question you want to ask me, ask me the question. If not, but we are done with our updates from all the groups have updated. So we see where we are struggling, and I encourage all of us here to tighten our belts. So yeah. Thank you. And I want to keep I'm flowing every group. I see the way meetings are going up and down. So I want to continue seeing that. And the Roots, yeah, well done, Roots. You guys are really very fast. So keep it up.
Thank you, Lisa.
Yeah.